Okay, hi everybody. This is my first video for YouTube and I'm very nervous. This is like the fourth time I've tried this and every time my camera has messed up. So it's been very difficult to get it going. Today I think I'm going to do a flip and drag, something, that's not real difficult. So, because I'm really nervous. And I came across a really good deal on a bunch of house paint samples. So acrylic or latex. So that's what I've used mostly right now. I do use Artist Loft and Apple Barrel also. So I'll put the colors down at the bottom because I have to get the samples out. But I'm going to use 3 small cups. I'm going to start with some orange on the bottom. And then I have I mixed this color green because I really liked it and I couldn't get it in any other thing. So I mixed the green myself. I'm going to put that in next. Try not to get any drips on my canvas, and then actually this is Artist Loft Vermilion Blue, I think it is. Vermilion, I don't know if I'm saying that right. Plus some house paint a blue color that was really dark. So I put the two together to make a different color blue. You can probably see my hands shaking because I am nervous. And I mix up my white in a big container like this because you use so much white. So I'm going to put a little bit of that on top. And I do have silicone in all my colors except for the white, and I use the treadmill lubricant for my silicone. That one. Let's finish up this orange color. I probably have a lot more paint than I need, but it's better to have too much than too little. A little bit more. Okay, I think we're full. Let's get these out of the way. There we go. All right. Okay, the first one, got to do it really quick here. Let's see, we'll flip it right here. Whoops, that didn't work very well, did it? There. And let's see, up here. Oh, the other two's turned out good. Oh, you can already see the cells coming up. And put white around. It'll be easier to drag my colors. You always want to make sure you get your edges, but if you don't, you can go back and do that later and redo them. Let's see if that's good. Ooh, these colors look pretty good together, actually. I didn't know for sure how they would be, but they're looking all right. Put my white all over. I think that's good. There we go. And I always forget to have a rag handy, so excuse me just a moment. There we go. Get my hands wiped off. There, that's better. Okay, now let's see what we can do. Let's bring this one through here and around and up. There we go. Oh, that's pretty. Man, I like that. Let's do this one around here and over here and oops, down and around. Those are nice. They've got good cells. Let's see where we're gonna go with this one. Let's go up through here and around and down. Those are really pretty. Let it sit for a second. Let's see. Paint all over me. Gotta get my torch. Torch out any air bubbles that there might be. It helps to bring up the cells. Okay, I'm going to tilt this a little bit because there's an awful lot of paint on here. Let's see what we can do about that. Go slow. I always go too fast and then I lose what I don't want to lose. Getting that over. There we go. Let's come down to this other corner. Some of the paint off. I don't really want to lose that blue that's down there. This way. Bring it back to the center. Boy, these are big cells. Okay, let's see what we got. See how much paint's on here. Oh, not too bad. Make sure we get all the edges all wiped away so it doesn't stick too bad. Let's see. Well, what do you think? I kind of like these colors together. The orange and the green really came out. There's blue in here. We've got big cells everywhere. That is surprising. I usually don't get great big cells. I usually get some smaller ones going on, but not too much of a big ones. Let's give it a final torch. You just want to go back and forth. You don't want to leave it too long in one spot and burn your paint. I don't think it's doing much. I'm getting some air bubbles, that's good. Okay, well, I think that's about it for my first video. I hope you enjoyed it. Later on, when I get more comfortable, I'll be doing more abstract things that will take a little bit more time. But for now, I think this is it. If you'd like to like and subscribe to my channel, that would be fantastic. I'm anxious to see if I can get some followers. Since I'm brand new, it might take a while, but I'm not going anywhere and I'm willing to work for it. So thank you all for watching and catch you next time. Bye.